What makes the Adaptive Fitness program so special is the fact that it's a community. It really is a group of people who come together in a way to support each other, both clients and students. Welcome. My name is Dr. Keisha Doyle, and I'm the director of the Adaptive Fitness program. I'm also a member of the teaching faculty for the kinesiology department. So the Adaptive Fitness program is a community outreach program that's been in operation for almost 40 years. And it is a program that brings in individuals from the community with disabilities and diverse abilities who work with undergraduate students and graduate students to do exercise and physical activity.
Adaptive fitness in general is a inclusive space where clients with disabilities, either permanent or temporary, come into the space, get assigned undergraduate workout teams with our undergraduate student volunteers. And together they sit down with the client, talk about goals, talk about steps moving forward. And by the end of the semester, they can hopefully make progressions towards daily activities of living and also physical goals in general.
I love being with the students. They research my condition and they help me figure out what I should be doing to stay strong. And I don't always get that from other healthcare professionals.
Whenever I come in here and I see all of the clients and all of the students, it feels like it's its own community, it's its own home. Whenever I tell people I'm gonna go to Adaptive Fitness or an event or something like that, they already know that I'm gonna be somewhere where all my friends are and a bunch of people that make this community feel even more special.
I like that we get to work with the students individually.
Both the clients I've had have brought a unique set of circumstances and unique life experiences that have taught me things. And just seeing how happy and how fulfilled they are at the end of each session and at the end of the semester really brings me a lot of joy.
The interactions between clients and students create that sense of community so that clients are teaching students how to work with people with disabilities. Meanwhile, the students are helping the clients to engage in exercise. The reciprocity between clients and students is another feature that makes adaptive fitness such a wonderful place to be.
I would say that this is an extremely wonderful place adaptive fitness is because there are other people who are suffered more vital issues, and they are also nicely doing all the exercises, whatever they say, and to improve.
That team of folks who come in every week, it might be part of your schoolwork. You might not remember us, but we're taking them as part of our life journey forward. So it's quite a bit.
There's so many rewarding things in this program, but I think just seeing the impact that you can have on somebody else's life. There are a lot of things many of us take for granted, and just seeing what that means to somebody, whether it's standing up under their own power, walking, just things you and me might not make a big deal of, seeing what that means to somebody else and playing a role in getting them to achieve those goals, it means the world to me.